Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best flannel sheets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Eddie Bauer Flannel Sheet Set. The Eddie Bauer Flannel Sheet Set is the ideal option if you want to give your bedroom a warm and inviting feel. The sheets are brushed 3 times for added softness, and they're made of 100% cotton flannel, making them incredibly snug and comfortable. For individuals who have deeper mattresses, the set includes an elasticized fitted sheet with 15-inch deep pockets. A queen-sized flat sheet and 2 coordinating pillowcases are also included. What we like about it: high-quality cotton flannel. Good value for the price. What we don't like about it: colors may fade over time. Number 2. Bare Home Flannel Sheet Set. Treat yourself to the Bare Home Flannel Sheet Set to sleep through chilly nights. These sheets are made of 100% cotton, are silky soft, and have densely woven threads, making them perfect for cuddling up in. No matter how much you toss and turn, the extra deep pockets on the fitted sheet will fit most mattresses securely and tightly. They can also be easily machine washed. Due to their lack of harsh chemicals and ability to protect you from allergy triggers, these sheets are also ideal for environmentally conscious consumers. The queen-sized set includes a flat sheet, 2 pillowcases, and 1 fitted sheet with 15-inch deep pockets. What we like about it: soft and warm for chilly nights. Suitable for high-profile mattresses. Won't shrink when washed. Excellent quality at a reasonable price. What we don't like about it: maple over time. Number 3. Velvety Flannel Sheet Set. The Velvety Flannel Sheet Set is made from 100% cotton fabric, giving it a velvety, soft, warm, and inviting feel. These sheets will stand out in any bedroom because of their distinctive pattern, which features gray plaid against a pink background. These sheets are not only soft but also exceptionally long-lasting. Even with repeated washes and wear, the fabric's robust construction and tight weave design keep it looking and feeling as good as new. Also, since no hazardous chemicals were used in their production, these sheets are gentle on the skin. What we like about it: durable and wrinkle-free. Fits deep mattress pockets. Plush and soft texture. Skin-friendly, toxin-free materials. What we don't like about it: may not blend well with some decorative motifs. Number 4. Laura Ashley Flannel Sheet Set. The Laura Ashley Flannel Sheet Set is ideal for staying warm at night. It includes 2 standard pillowcases, a fitted sheet, and a flat sheet, all featuring an eye-catching gray plaid pattern. It is made of natural, breathable, 100% cotton flannel for optimal comfort, and it has also been brushed 8 times for an incredibly plush feel. Quality elastic is enclosed around all 4 edges of the sheet to keep the fitted sheet in place and secure your mattress. It accommodates mattresses that are up to 15 inches deep. What we like about it: extremely soft and comfortable to sleep on. Retains warmth in cooler temperatures. No pilling or shrinking. Stays in place. What we don't like about it: may be too thick for some. Number 5. Morgan Home Flannel Sheet Set. The Morgan Home Flannel Sheet Set is an ideal option for any bedroom. Made entirely from cotton flannel fabric, this set consists of 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Deep pockets ensure a precise fit and can accommodate mattresses up to 16 inches thick. The sheets are light and airy enough for warm weather use, yet warm enough to keep the chills at bay throughout the colder months. What we like about it: luxuriously soft texture. Retains its color over time. Fits oversized mattresses well. Good quality for a great price. What we don't like about it: may shrink slightly when washed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.